Where's Olivia?
Isn't she with you?
I didn't see her.
Oh, God.
Where is she?
You better look for her.
She's not hiding, is she?
I don't know.
I don't know where Olivia is.
Where?
You look like
Henry.
Oh! You scared me, you son of a gun. You scared me.
Olivia.
Put it down, Olivia, a minute. I want to see.
You look like the guy on
Shrek.
Shrek.
No, this is Shrek.
Oh.
This is Fiona.
Oh, that's
Look.
Fiona?
Leah, who's that?
Let me see that again. Oh my goodness.
No!
You're gonna wake up Kayla.
Okay, no more. See, you don't know when to stop.